There was a bird. It was a woodcock. The bird lived in a swamp. The swamp had many snails. The woodcock ate snails. Some birds came there. They saw the snails. They did not like snails. They wanted other food. They did not eat snails. The woodcock was happy. He ate snails daily. He was never hungry. The other birds were hungry. They felt unhappy. They left the swamp. The woodcock stayed there. He had enough food. He ate slowly every day. Fussy and greedy birds suffered. The moral of the story is, do not be greedy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.